Wow.
I gotta cut. Where's this one?
That's a pepper.
That's a pepper.
Wouldn't you like to be a pepper too?
There you go.
You want some?
No, I love watermelon.
I would like to have a piece.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Treasure.
Yum, yum,
Can
yum.
I have a piece of bread?
This?
Yes, please.
Okay. I need to cut it first.
What a big hit that is.
That's a great idea.
Fantastic.
Where did you find that?
It's Melissa and Doug.
There's some bread.
Thank you very much.